In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status of leads on Zoho CRM. Keeping your lead statuses up to date is really important for staying organized and knowing exactly where each potential customer is in your sales process. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update a lead's status, and I'll also share a few tips along the way to make sure you're doing it accurately and efficiently. First, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account and heading to the Leads module. You'll usually find this in the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Click on Leads, and this will open a list of all the leads currently in your system. If you have a lot of records, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific lead you want to work on. Once you're in the Leads module and you see your list, look for the particular lead whose status you want to change. You can click directly on the lead's name to open the full record. This will take you to the lead details page, where you can see all the information related to that person or company, such as their contact details, source, and any notes or activities you've logged. On the lead details page, you'll need to switch into edit mode before making changes. Look for the edit button, which is often represented by a small pencil icon near the top of the page. Click that button, and all the fields in the lead record will become editable. Now, scroll or scan the page until you find the field labeled Lead Status. This is typically a drop-down field. Click on it to see a list of available status options, such as new, contacted, qualified, unqualified, or whatever custom statuses your organization has set up. Choose the option that best reflects where this lead currently stands in your process. Take a moment to be accurate here, because your reports and follow-ups will often depend on this status. After you've selected the new lead status, review your changes to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. Zoho CRM will update the record, and you'll now see the new status reflected in the lead details and in your leads list. That's all there is to it. By consistently updating your lead statuses, you'll keep your pipeline clean, your team aligned, and your follow-up activities much easier to manage.